Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use your credits on Volt. First, open the Volt app and tap the Profile tab at the bottom. Scroll all the way down and tap Enter Promo Code. If you enter this promo code right here, you'll get 4 euros in credits for your next 3 orders. That's a total of 12 euros in Volt credit. You can also tap Earn Volt credits. Here, you'll see your own referral code. You can copy it and share it with your friends. When your friend signs up and uses your code, they'll get 4 euros. And you'd also get 4 euros added to your account. And that's it. That's how to use your credits on Volt. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.